Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Mondo 82. Hey, I just got my wires in, and as you can see right here, I didn't crimp them this time. I actually fluxed them. Well, I actually soldered them together. My bad. As you can see, there's another one. This is a pretty good one I did right here. Pretty nice. But I'm about to do a little a soldering video, because soldering is a lot better, man. It's a lot better than crimping your wires. Soldering is like, I would recommend that to anybody. But I'm about to start it now. I mean, it's a little ghetto setup, but oh well. Hold this. As you can see on here, I got that flux on there. I got the wire for the ring terminal. Yep. And you see I got my stuff right here. 10. So right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to get this started, get these two wires soldered together with this ring terminal soldered onto this metal. Make it close so they can see it. Well, I'm gonna be recording anyway. As you can see, I got my brother-in-law about to hold the torch wire. I'll get this stuff in here. This is a real close-up so y'all can actually see. Right now I'm melting the flux on here so the metal can stick to it. As you can see how it absorbs into the wire. See how that works? It's like a very solid connection. Alright, y'all. That's it. That's all you had to do. Nothing but metal solid. But after that, I just dump it in the water so it can cool off. I don't wait for no 20-30 seconds. All you gotta do is dip it in some water and it'll be hard as solid. As you can see, there you go. So if y'all got any questions on this video, just hit me back or leave comments.